Chairman, Commissioners, thank you for this opportunity. What I want to do is to show you very quickly, I think we had probably 5 to 8 minutes and then leave room for questions, kind of how the concept has come through on the Comprehensive Applied Sciences and Workforce Development Center. So if you refer to the screen, we have kind of a front view of the building designed kind of with the circular entrance. That'll be an entrance way that leads into the first floor of the facility. And this is a view from 74. It sits there in front of the lake out to the left side of the administration building. And this is kind of a footprint of where the building is going to sit in regards to the Loop Road. The Loop Road and the lake set out in front, and the building is situated to tie in with existing programs that are already related to applied sciences in the vocational technical buildings for welding, machinery, construction trades, to provide some continuity with those programs already existing. On the first floor plan, we have the lower level, which consists of about 8,300 square feet. And here we're hoping with the curriculum instruction to incorporate programs such as automation lab, which is the orange place shown, to give some very flexible space for doing advanced manufacturing technologies, advanced manufacturing curriculum, electronics, computerized engineering technology, and electronic systems technology. For continuing education purposes, we can do PLC training. We're planning on incorporating short-term programs on automation and robotics. There are two 36-seat classrooms that are listed there in the kind of the light blue color, and we have courses that are planned to be offered there, about 6 courses in engineering technology, and we can interchange out between those, but to use engineering technology and fundamental electronics circuit analysis. We plan on using the administrative offices there for faculty and perhaps relocating one of the deans there. If I would go now to the second floor, we have here another situation in light blue of classroom spaces and computer labs. The orange spaces represent high bay areas. So for the upper floor, we're looking at computer lab, where we are proposing, or the dean of that applied sciences is proposing up to 27 different courses that relate to drafting, mechanical engineering, manufacturing, and industrial technologies, which we believe go hand in hand with existing and developing curriculums, and also give us the ability to meet the needs of business and industries that are existing here or that can develop here. For continuing education, they would have access to the large space to the right in light blue, which is planned to be either an expandable room or to split into 2 areas that would hold 36 students apiece. So they could also do short-term training. They could do small business center seminars, and just have very flexible space to do computer aid drafting and design, whatever needs emerge. In the high bays, real quickly, we're planning on dedicating the outer 2 to college curriculum and continuing education institutes for advanced manufacturing curriculum, institutes which incorporate welding, PLC training, industrial controls, hydraulics, pneumatics, and all of these have been equipped to have a variety of electrical applications, plumbing, air, everything that industry would need. We also would like in one of the spaces that the college operates to have maker space and have space outlined there where we could do computer aided manufacturing or electrical utility training, whatever the demands are. The center 3 bays, we really want to hold off for either landing spaces for business and industry that may want to develop or locate here. We talked about incubator space, uses for economic development, startups, to have very flexible, and all 3 of the inner bays that are high ceiling are interconnected with the doors. So if we had a large area that needed to be contracted out with someone doing a software startup, we believe it's very flexible, and we try to incorporate whole variety of things into that facility to make it very usable to meet the curriculum needs of the college, the programs that President Dalton was talking about, not to duplicate services in the high school, and then to give economic development and workforce training some wonderful tools to utilize here for those purposes. Let me show you just a couple other views. That's a view from further out. This is a back view which shows the high bays to get equipment in and out. And that connects back to the inner part of campus. This is another angle of the back view showing those high bay doors. This is kind of an interior view which shows kind of how we've set it out to be, have the appearance of kind of a manufacturing facility. This gives you a shot into the automation lab, which is on the first floor. Another angle of that, I apologize for going quickly, but I'm trying to stay within the time. This is a view from upstairs looking back out toward the lake, towards 74. And then a view going back down the hall looking into the high bay areas so that folks coming to view the facilities can see the activities going on in those bays. And this is a view from 74, which gives you more of a conceptual idea of what this structure will look like from the highway. Being respectful of my time, I would leave the balance open for any questions. Otherwise,